How to sell photos on Pixieset. Hello and welcome to our channel. On this video, I'm going to show you how you can sell photos on Pixieset. So please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. And to create an account on Pixieset, you can also use my affiliate link below the description or earn a small commission at no additional cost to you. And by using the link, you may also get some discount or rewards upon sign up. But before that, if you don't know what is Pixieset, it is an all-in-one online platform designed for photographers and creative professionals to showcase, deliver, and sell their artwork, in which it offers a beautifully designed client galleries that allow photographers to share photos seamlessly and professionally. With Pixieset, users can create a custom portfolio, websites, manage online print sales, and even handle bookings and contracts all in one place. So now to create an account, you can click the login button or the get started button, or you could also navigate the pricing plan in here to choose the corresponding plan. You have here a variety plan with the corresponding prices on it, and below are some of the features included on each plan. After choosing the right plan and signing in, you'll now automatically be directed on a page where you can create or sign up using your Google, Apple, or even using your email address. Once done, you will now be directed in here, where you can simply enter the name of your business and also the website of it. However, the website part is only an optional in here. Then click Create Free Account button. Once done, and after that, you'll be directed on this dashboard. On this pop-up window, it will show you the things that you can simply create from, including client gallery, website, and studio maker. However, in those options, if you click the client gallery, you will be directed in here. Alternatively, under this dashboard, you can click the dashboard button where it will show you the notification part and some other data in here. But going back under this client gallery, you can also click this one on the top of it, then you will be directed on this page. From here, we can get started on the sample photos or upload from our collection or our computer files. It will show us in here under Start, Homepage, Settings, another option in here. However, by doing so, we can now start adding a collection. To do that, you can click Get Started with the sample photos in here as an example. For the collection name, I'm going to enter, for instance, the name Mark and Cat. Then below, after picking the name, we need to pick the date and click the Next button. It will show us that we have added 3 photos. We can choose a cover photo design for it. It will show us in here a center, left, novel, vintage, frame, and any other kind of design. All you need to do is simply select here the one that you preferred. And also you should be able to see on the top of it the corresponding preview or what the design looks like upon applying the specific template or design in here or style for the photo design. And after that, just click Create Collection button to proceed. It will show you the preview collection, or you could also customize by clicking this button right here. After clicking Customize, it will show you where you can edit the name, add photos and videos, and even customize your design. Moving on, once done, you can now start, for example, uploading by clicking Add Media on the top right corner, or simply customizing this one. Now, as you can see, I'm currently selecting at least 3 photos that will be added to the collection. And after that, just click this button right here, Move or Copy, or even start customizing on the left side panel. And after that, we can start customizing the cover of it by choosing the right design or style of it, and even the typography or the font style. I'm going to choose this one, Serif. Moving on, you can also change the color palette by simply selecting in here the color, and even the grid of it, the grid style, thumbnail size, grid spacing, and any other kind of grid style. Now under the general or settings in here, you should be able to see that you could also change the collection URL, the category tag, the watermark, and even email registration in here to turn on slideshow, social sharing, and many more. Moving on, under the privacy section, you can add here a collection password for the viewer to see the collection. Or you could also add a client exclusive access. Under download, it will allow viewer to download the photo with high resolution and web sizes. It will show you the download pin in here, or you could also disable whenever you want. At this page, I'm just not be able to disable this one, so I'm going to keep it that way. You could also go to advanced settings to access some other feature in here. Now moving on, under the favorite, you should be able to see here to turn on the favorite photos or favorite notes. Now under store, you should be able to activate your own store to start selling some of the picture or product of the photos. By clicking the top right corner, it will show us the preview button, and it will show us in here what it looks like. When a viewer try to visit your store, they can start downloading it right here or start purchasing it on your store. So you need to simply activate your store in here. But before we start activating, just click the share button on the top right corner to save the changes. You can get the direct link if you want to, or a collection link. It will show you also the download pin. So going back on the page to set up, in here under the dashboard, you can choose the store option. By doing so, you'll automatically be directed on the next tab. All you need to do is to choose to review the products and set up checkout. So simply fill out the required information, such as to add price sheet by entering here the sheet name and also the set or print the fulfillment. You could also navigate the taxes in here if you have different tax rate depending on your country. Under the shipping, it is not only applicable since we're only selling here photos. So you can simply not fill out this required information, such as adding a shipping method. You could also navigate to add a coupon, entering here a gift cards, and under settings, you can start adding your PayPal, Stripe, or offline as your payment methods. However, since we're selling a digital products, only applicable is the Stripe and PayPal. You could also add the order delay if you want to, maintain markup percentage, turn on gift card sharing, the terms of sale that you could simply customize, and if you even have a digital image license, you can simply input it right here. But moving on, that is basically how you can start customizing the store section and also the checkout part. Now under orders, here you can track all of the orders that has been purchased by your customer in here. Now going back on our dashboard, it will show us in here below if you scroll down some more recent collection and also our online store, the notification, quick links, to the billing, profile to set up your account, and even to refer a friend right here. So basically, this platform emphasizes simplicity and visual appeal, providing easy to use tools for both photographers and clients. So that is just how you can sell photos on Pixieset. Thank you.